7-2. Go. 7-2. 7-2. There you go. 7-2. Faster. 7-2. 7-2. 7-2. 7-2. 7-2. 7-2. 7-2. 7-2. 7-2. 7-2. 7-2. 7-2. 7-2. 7-2. 2-2. Slip that way, right? When you do that, put that hip in it. Go. There you go. 7-2. 7-2. 7-2. 7-2. 7-2. 7-2. 7-2. 7-2. 7-2. 7-2. Okay, so we're gonna show the differences between a 5 and a 1, right?
Yeah.
So 5 coming right here, and then the 1 coming up. So this way. 5, 1. 5, 1. So coming right here, slipping. All right here, inside of it. I'm right here, right here, right here. So here, here. This is what I want you to practice. But you slipping this way, which putting you at an angle where when it's time to hit that number 1, you doing a jab like that. You need to come close right here. And you already right here. Because your arm need to be what, 90 degrees. This is a hook. You know, hook. Not like this. Here. Go right here. To the level. To that. Here. Alright, to the head. There you go. See that? But you gotta get closer.